You ready to go bye-bye? Are you ready to go bye-bye? You ready to go bye-bye? Are you going on a trip? 5 a.m. A loaded car, 2 people, 2 dogs, 10-hour drive ahead of us, and a second chance to capture a place that helped me realize what I want to be doing for the rest of my life. I was only in high school with a camera and a hobby, but the spring mountains and early elk and the rushing waterfalls gave me the inspiration that I will never let go. It opened me to how much I wanted to document and experience all of these places of wonderment and nature. So after all these years, I'll see it all again, but capture so much more. Along with those I love, capturing the moment for me is capturing everything that makes my heart race and fixes my gaze, that makes me smile uncontrollably. So I'll capture it all from the sunrise to sunset and back again, from the rolling, smoky mountains of red gold waves of trees to the embers of a campfire to stars overhead. When you're in the valleys of these rolling giants or at their peaks watching the sky shift around them is just a moment of silence, of respect, of beauty as the sun makes its climb up and back down behind their vistas.
Straight as an arrow flies, nowhere to be, no dreams to chase tonight. We've got time to waste, let's waste it
And sometimes it is what shifts through the mountains as well. The racing waterfalls and little streams that float life through their valleys to clouds that the high cliffside roads give new meaning as you move through them with caution and astonishment. Caution and astonishment would be an apt description for wildlife as well. My first experiences with these Smoky Mountain elk, I was excited to see only about a dozen, of which only 2 were young bulls. I was far more happy this time around, not only that there were much more that I could barely count, or that there were such large bulls in our midst, but it was the fact that I had grown into skill and quality gear that I could capture these roaming herds in much better than I would have all those years ago. The next morning, we were all in peace after the experience we had that night. It would be hard not to be. We headed into those ancient forests of Smoky Mountain National Park, but the overwhelming crowds put us back into North Carolina, which ended up being for the better. Then that last morning, a little last-minute effort to see a few more elk turned into one of the best and most peaceful wildlife encounters I've ever experienced. Only few other photographers were my only other company besides the numbers of the herd in front of us. I walked back to the car with the biggest smile on my face and my heart and soul filled with emotion. After almost 4 years since we've been on that trip and starting this journey I get to call my career, I was far more than simply happy on that long drive home. I was proud of how far I've come and how far I'll go.